Welcome to Trusted Web Eservices. In this tutorial, you will learn how to fix the missing value age group error in Google Merchant Center. This error appears when your product feed does not include the required age group attribute. Although your products may still show in shopping ads, their performance can decline, leading to fewer clicks, sales, and profits. It is important to correct this issue to keep your listings optimized and fully approved. To fix it, start by logging into your Google Merchant Center account. Once you are in, navigate to the Products section on the left-hand menu, then click on Needs Attention. Scroll through your product list to find the error message labeled Missing Age Group. This error indicates that your product feed is missing a required attribute that helps Google understand who the product is for. To fix this, you must assign an appropriate age group value to each affected product. The valid values recognized by Google are newborn, infant, toddler, kids, teen, or adult. Make sure all products in the same age range have a consistent value to maintain uniformity in your feed. If you are managing your feed through a spreadsheet or feed management software, this is a simple fix. Locate the age group column in your data feed and enter the correct value for each product. Apply the change consistently across similar items to quickly resolve the issue. If you prefer to update the attribute directly in Google Merchant Center, click on the product title to open its details. On the right-hand side, select Edit Product. Scroll down to the Product Details section and find the age group field. Choose the appropriate value that best represents your product and click Save at the bottom. Once the correction is made, return to the Needs Attention section. Select the affected product and request a manual review. Google will recheck your product feed within 24 to 48 hours. If the age group is now correctly assigned, the error will automatically disappear and your product will be approved. By following these steps, you can successfully fix the missing value age group error and ensure your product listings meet Google's requirements. Regularly reviewing your Merchant Center account helps improve your ad performance across Google Shopping. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Trusted Web Eservices for more actionable tutorials.